Today we'll talk about how can you find library on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first to find your library list. So you just go down here, you click here on library down here, you just click on it. When you just click here on library here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find your list here. So then here unlock it, then here recent and your time till free. You will find it all here on your library here. So like you see here in my list I have only this, but if you have a lot can you find it? That's all. I wish know you accurate. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching.